Welcome back to Trade Capital Blueprint. We need to have a serious conversation. The World Economic Forum predicts that by 2025, 85 million jobs will be displaced by machines. By 2030, that number explodes. We are facing the biggest shift in the labor market since the Industrial Revolution. This isn't just about robots flipping burgers. We are talking about white-collar, high-paying careers that are evaporating into the cloud. The safe path of going to college and getting a corporate job is dead. Today, we are listing the top 15 jobs that artificial intelligence will completely replace or drastically reduce by the year 2030. If you are in one of these industries, you have two choices: pivot now or get left behind. But before we start the countdown, we want to know who is ready for the future. Drop a comment below what city and state are you watching from. And tell us, do you think AI will take your job or make it easier? Smash that like button, subscribe to Trade Capital Blueprint, and let's face the reality. Starting at number 15, the most obvious casualty: data entry clerks. If your job involves taking information from one screen and typing it into another, you are already obsolete. Optical character recognition and LLMs can now process millions of documents in seconds with higher accuracy than any human. By 2030, paying a human to type data will be seen as financial negligence. Number 14, telemarketers. We all hate spam calls, but soon, there won't be a human on the other end. AI voice agents like ChatGPT's advanced voice mode can sound infinitely patient, persuasive, and human. They don't take breaks, they don't get discouraged by rejection, and they cost pennies per hour. The era of the human cold caller is over. Number 13, basic translators. High-level literature translation might survive, but for business meetings and tourism, it's done. With tools like Google Gemini and specialized earbuds, we are reaching Tower of Babel levels of technology. Real-time instant translation is becoming a free feature on your phone, eliminating the need for human intermediaries in 90% of scenarios. Number 12, travel agents. Planning a trip used to be hard. Now, AI agents can book your flight, reserve your hotel, rent your car, and build a customized itinerary based on your budget in 30 seconds. Unless you are a luxury concierge for billionaires, the middleman travel agent is vanishing. Number 11 is painful for the creatives. Junior graphic designers. Tools like Midjourney and Canva Magic Studio have democratized design. Small businesses no longer need to hire a junior designer for logos, banners, or social media posts. They can generate them for $20 a month. The pixel pusher jobs are gone. Only the creative directors who manage the AI will survive. Number 10, retail cashiers. We've seen self-checkout, but 2030 brings grab-and-go technology. Cameras and sensors track what you take, and you are charged automatically when you walk out the door. Walmart and Amazon are scaling this aggressively. The entry-level cashier job, a staple of the American teenage experience, is being automated out of existence. Number 9. Bank tellers and bookkeepers. Why drive to a bank when your phone is the bank? AI algorithms can now categorize expenses, detect fraud, and reconcile accounts faster than any human accountant. The local bank branch is becoming a ghost town, and routine bookkeeping is being fully automated by software like QuickBooks AI. Number 8. Fast food cooks. With minimum wages rising, chains like McDonald's and Chipotle are turning to robotics. Machines like Flippy can fry potatoes and grill burgers with perfect consistency 24/7. By 2030, the back of house in fast food will be a machine room with maybe one human overseeing the operations. Number 7, paralegals. The legal profession is built on reading documents and finding precedents. AI is better at this than humans. Tools like Harvey AI can review thousands of pages of contracts in seconds to find errors. Law firms will still need lawyers to argue in court, but the army of assistants doing the research. Their billable hours are disappearing. Number 6. Factory assembly workers. We mentioned this in our robotics video. Humanoid robots like Tesla Optimus are coming. Fixed robot arms have been around for decades, but humanoids can now move freely and handle complex tasks. As the cost of a robot drops below $20,000, human labor in manufacturing becomes financially impossible to justify. Number 5. Low-level social media managers. Writing tweets, scheduling posts, and replying to comments is now fully automatable. AI agents can analyze trends, generate viral hooks, and post content across 10 platforms simultaneously. The role is shifting from creator to AI editor. Number 4 is a shock to the tech world. Entry-level coders. For years, we were told learn to code. But now, AI tools like Devon and GitHub Copilot can write basic software, debug errors, and build websites from scratch. The demand for code monkeys is crashing. The future belongs to software architects, not just syntax writers. Number 3. Truck and taxi drivers. It's taking longer than predicted, but by 2030, autonomous corridors will be a reality. Waymo is already operating driverless taxis in major cities. Tesla FSD is gathering billions of miles of data. Transport is the backbone of the economy, and removing the human driver cuts shipping costs by 50%. The economics are inevitable. Number 2. Customer support agents. We aren't talking about the frustration of press 1 for English. We are talking about AI that can actually solve your problem, process your refund, and debug your tech issue instantly. Companies like Klarna have already replaced 700 full-time agents with an AI that performs better and faster. This job sector is collapsing right now. And finally, at number 1, the job most at risk might surprise you: middle management. AI provides executives with direct access to data. They don't need a manager to create a report on what the team is doing. The AI does it instantly. The communication layer of corporations is being flattened. If your job consists of just managing people and passing along information, you are the inefficiency that AI will remove. The future isn't about competing against AI. It's about owning the AI. Which of these jobs do you think will disappear first? Let us know in the comments. This has been Trade Capital Blueprint. Prepare yourself, invest wisely, and subscribe for more insights. We'll see you in the next video.